Hello and welcome to the video. This channel is all about the pursuit of optimal health and wellness, and I think it's fair to say the diet plays a major component when it comes to living a healthy lifestyle. Making sure you get all your nutrients on a daily basis can be somewhat of a struggle. What if there is some way around this? Maybe there is. Abnormal nutrition is a complete meal replacement, however it is designed for your specific requirements and needs. Wait, what? How is that even possible? By answering Abnormal's relatively in-depth questions about your diet, lifestyle and general health, they're able to create a complete meal. Abnormal is also big on reducing food waste and is plastic free, as well as every food box you buy, they make a donation to help fight world hunger. They also offer a free 7-day trial, so it seems crazy not to check these guys out. So for this week, I'll be ordering a 7-day trial of Abnormal Nutrition and documenting my journey. And at the end of the week, I'll be deciding whether it's something worth investing in and including on my optimal health and wellness journey. How to place your order. To collect your free trial, just head to the website. Select try for free, then you have to answer some questions like how much water you drink, how much fruit and vegetables you eat, and so on. This takes about 3 minutes and allows them to calculate the correct ingredients to optimize your lifestyle. It's also possible to choose dietary requirements such as vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free. Once you've completed the questionnaire, you then select the flavors you would like between banana milkshake, chocolate swirl, strawberry sundae, and vanilla cream. They then use this information to create your multivitamin suited to your goals. For example, mine includes vitamin D as I do not get much sun exposure, protein due to my high levels of exercise, B vitamins and MCT for energy, probiotics for digestion, and manganese, cherry extract, and glucosamine for my poor joints. So I'm no stranger to meal replacements. So I'm excited to open this box and get started. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're opening the box. So to start with, there is 2 booklets. Looks like the booklet is a breakdown of all the ingredients in my smoothies and explaining specifically what each ingredient is for and why it is beneficial. So that's really awesome. So I guess it's teaching you rather than just taking a drink and thinking it works. You actually get to learn about all the areas and what I may be lacking or deficient in, which I don't usually have in my diet. So looking forward to reading that and learning about all my nutrition. Second booklet is about the company, just going about their ethics and what they're all about. So I'm excited to look and learn a bit more about the company as well. I'll go through these during the week or at the end of the review when I've properly looked into them. Also comes with their own shaker. It's always good to have extra shakers, and it's quite a nice size one as well. And then, yeah, this is the meal replacements, and they're pretty substantial. And what I really like about this company as well, the packaging is all recyclable. So a lot of these companies use like unrecyclable packaging, but yeah, these use a paper packaging. So it's all fully recyclable, which kind of stands with the ethics of minimizing food waste. So yeah, I guess the first thing we need to do now is try one out. So I pretty much got one of every flavor. I think I'm gonna go banana to start the party off. So I'm gonna go and make this up and do a live taste test. Alright, so that is done. I actually added a bit more water than 300 mils because there's so much powder. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, I added like 400 mils, so I hope that hasn't affected it too much, but it was just so thick. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's see how this week's gonna be. I haven't drunk a banana milkshake since I was a kid, but yeah, that is really delicious. It's not too chalky or powdery. It tastes good. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this week goes, learn more about the minerals and nutrition I am having, see if it makes any difference, check out the other flavors, and yeah, get back to you and see how this feels. Because if this is as good as it sounds, this could definitely be something I implement on a daily basis. A good healthy way to get all my minerals and vitamins in a tasty, convenient way. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this week goes, and I'll check back in during the week. Oh, so it's the end of the week and I'm finally ready to give my Abnormal meal replacement shake review. Say that 3 times fast. So to start off, we're going to start with taste, because I guess if you're going to be drinking something on a daily basis, you want to know that you're at least going to enjoy it. So on day 1, we started with the banana milkshake, and unfortunately, ever since then, it's kind of been a downhill spiral. The banana milkshake was definitely my favorite, but the other flavors I found a little bit too sweet, especially the chocolate, which is saying something because I do love a sweet drink. However, don't let this put you off, because if you ever drunken a kale smoothie or a wheatgrass shot, then you'll know that drinking your nutrients is not always the best. So this is definitely a step in the right direction. So for the first couple of days, I drank the drinks as directed, which is basically just in this shaker with 300 ml of water and shake and you're good to go. However, the shakes were pretty thick and very sweet, which wasn't really my taste. So I started using a bit more liquid and blending them with a little bit of a banana and some ice, kind of how I make my regular protein shakes, and they're so much tastier. So I do implore you to experiment with the shakes. I know they come with a guideline, but it is just a guideline. We're all unique, beautiful snowflakes, and we all like different things and different tastes. So if you don't like the drink initially, maybe just experiment with it and see if you can come to some kind of solution that makes it more bearable for you. But yeah, making it with a bit of banana and some ice made it delicious, and yeah, a lovely drink for me to have. Taste aside, the meals are very filling, which is the purpose of them being a meal replacement shake. However, I have had some meal replacements in the past where I drink them and I would feel starving hungry after about 10 minutes, but these don't do that. I guess it's all the vitamins and minerals, but yeah, they definitely keep you. I've had one today for breakfast. It is almost noon, and yeah, I am very satisfied, so that is very good. Moving on to the product and the company itself. The company's policy on reducing food waste and the paper packaging is commendable. So I've used many meal replacement shakes before, and they come in that like aluminium foil, unrecyclable packaging. So the fact that these come in those easily transportable paper packages makes it stand out alone for that. And they're super easy to use, especially if you are using them on the go. You can just pop them in your bag and yeah, you're ready to roll. Also, the shaker is a solid shaker. I am quite the shaker connoisseur these days, and yeah, this ticks all the boxes. It has a solid lid. Has a solid lid, so I'd be happy transporting my beverages around in this, because I have had many shakers before where the lid is quite loose and yeah, you can get liquid all over your bag. So yeah, a good solid shaker. So yeah, I'm happy about that as well. As most things in life, it's kind of hard to know if there was any noticeable health benefits because it was only 7 days. It's such a short period of time. Plus, there are so many other factors that can affect our health, such as sleep, stress, activity levels, etc. However, I didn't take any of my usual supplements this week, and I felt my usual amazing self this week. Felt lots of energy, and my sleep and recovery has been fantastic, and my joints haven't been aching too much, which is a plus for me right now as I'm pretty much falling apart. Once again, the booklet, I kind of skimmed over this in the intro, but yeah, this is really beneficial and something I highly suggest if you do this trial, is to read through it, because they pretty much, after you fill out that questionnaire, it highlights everything in the booklet explaining why you're taking certain ingredients, such as for me, for energy, I've got MCT, which is in my shake, and it's now something I can implement. If I stop taking the shakes, I can take MCT oil from coconut oil. So you can look through the booklet and look at the kind of food sources you need to help support the areas from the questionnaire that you thought you were lacking in. So yeah, for me, it was pretty much joint and bone health. So yeah, that has been very useful and very educational. So final thoughts. If you're a busy person on the go and you struggle to get all your vitamins and minerals in, I would highly suggest checking these out. They work out at £2 a day, which for all the vitamins and minerals packed into this meal, you couldn't afford to get it any cheaper in my opinion, especially with the 7-day free trial. You've literally got nothing to lose. For me, I'm probably not going to continue to take these shakes in the future for a few reasons. One, I work at home, so I have plenty of time. And two, I do like to have my very own Pete special shake, which I have every morning. And if you don't know what that is, you obviously haven't watched my full day of eating, which is rude, but I will let you off because you're probably going to go and watch it after this video. So thank you very much. So overall, I'm going to give these shakes a 7 out of 10. The only thing that let down a few points for me is the taste. And as I say, that is personal preference. We are all different, and yeah, I just found them a little bit too sweet for me. If we were going ahead on the road again, I'd highly consider getting these instead of Huel. Huel is what we used to get. I think these are much better bang for your buck, and they're packed full of more nutrients and personalized to my own preferences. So yeah, for that, they're a winner for me. But yeah, that is going to be it. There's not much more else I can say. I'm really impressed with the meal shake, the company, and the products. I really think they're putting a step in the right direction, looking out for the environment, looking out for our health. It's a free trial. You literally have nothing to lose. You just pay for postage of packaging. Once again, I'm not affiliated with these guys. I just like to try stuff out for myself and share that information back with you. So I hope you have found this video informative, educational, or just a bit of fun. Whatever, drop a like if you did. Drop some comments in the comments below if you have any questions or if you have some information you want to share with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.